out what you're putting in.
The power definitely goes in power. We plug all the power points into.
All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I give it all to you for too There must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be more to the reason why we do it all for love. There must be more for a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. Has got to come my way. Has got to come my way.
Hello, dear Santa, I'm writing to you. I know how you're busy, but what else can I do? I'm not a little boy or a girl, but a father of two in this crazy old world. Angie, our youngest, she's only 8. Her mother and I, we were staying up late. She asked us to come and sit down on her bed. She took a deep breath, then here's what she said. before I can sleep. Michael and Daniel, some children at school, they say there's no Santa and that I am a fool. They have been hiding where they could see who put their gifts under their Christmas tree. The fireplace burning with a flickering light and lit up the room they were watching that night. One eye at the chimney, one eye at the door. A familiar shape came walking the floor. His coat was red and his beard was in white. Looked just like his daddy in the flickering light. Sweet Angie, these stories they tell, they've been around forever. I know them so well. When I was a kid, the same age as you, they said there's no Santa, and I was a fool. So Grandpa, he told me, here's what I will do. I'll write a letter to Santa from you and ask him to write back and tell you the truth. Then show all the children that you are no fool. The postman delivered the mail. Angie, she opened it shaky